The world was getting crazy with the global pandemic. Governments forcing lockdowns, companies closing, airports shutting down, and me sitting home on my sofa, surfing the local listings. I just found my dream car, a 911 Carrera 3.2. The car condition itself represented the situation we were living. Engine misfiring, condition not at its best, still the original company paint. So I took it and then the journey begins. Reverse engineering each part in the process helped me understand the way they were thinking when they were building it. Every part I was dismantling in the car, a surprise was hidden under it. It was difficult in the beginning, seeing all that work that was needed to be done to the car. But sooner or later I discovered that this is where the pleasure was. The Carrera 3.2 itself came in a time where Porsche was thinking about discontinuing the 911. Peter Schutt came to the management in Stuttgart that time and decided that this iconic shape will stay in place and it will never be replaced with the 928. And I think if they kept the no hopes on the 928 at that time, Porsche would be over. It wouldn't be the company we know nowadays. It's amazing the connection you build between man and machine. It's just a metal box on 4 wheels, but it projects a lot of passion, a lot of hope and progress.